but it gives that indicator that, oh, I've entered Bailey's Crossing, almost like brand recognition. Oh, I'm here, that's right.
Today we are at the Mason District Government Center and we're holding a workshop for gateway signage for Bailey's Crossroads and Seven Corners.
The Seven Corners and Bailey's Crossroads are really the center of Northern Virginia, and both from a geographic perspective, they're located along major road corridors. That being said, the built environment is very auto-oriented, it's a little tired, and it doesn't necessarily align with the energy and the vibrancy that these communities have.
Today we are midway through our community engagement process. We started by engaging our graphic design consultants that helped us come up with a timeline and process for community engagement.
We take brands and we take places and we put them together. So what we're really trying to do in this is a very collaborative process. We don't want to push any designs on the community. We hope that the designs come out of the community. And so that's part of this process.
Gateway signage is really about creating a sense of place and a sense of arrival. Really, at the end of the day, it's about making or ensuring a sense of place and giving people some pause that when they get to Bailey's Crossroads or Seven Corners, there's a sense of arrival, you want to linger a little bit, and you know that you've arrived somewhere. And then it also highlights the specific communities that are in these areas, and some of these branding techniques can do that. So it's really a place-making exercise.
So literally today, what you might see behind me are community members looking at different examples of images divided into 4 different themes, and they're choosing what they think best represents either Bailey's Crossroads or Seven Corners.
We really think we need to find a way to uplift what you see in the physical surroundings to match the energy that we see from the people who live there and the vibrant businesses that we have. And gateway signage and branding is one way to do that.
Please come out on Wednesday, July 30th to see the 2 concepts, 2 for Bailey's Crossroads, 2 for Seven Corners. If you can't make it to the meeting, visit our website. We're asking for feedback on which concept to choose for each district, and we'll continue to refine the designs based on community feedback through the end of the summer. We really want these designs to represent what the community is.